Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we dive into the bold, brilliant, and sometimes downright bizarre innovations shaping our future. If you're new here, smash that subscribe button because today's topic is one you don't want to miss. We're talking about the future of health tech, and I'm not just talking about fitness apps or step counters. I mean AI, diagnosing diseases faster than doctors, wearables predicting illness before you feel it, and yes, even lab-grown organs. Sounds futuristic? It's already here, and 2025 might just be the year everything changes, not just in tech, but in how we live, heal, and thrive. So let's dive into 7 health tech innovations you need to watch for in 2025. But first, how did we get here? Section 1, setting the stage. Healthcare and technology are no longer separate worlds. They're on a collision course, and the impact will be massive. By 2025, the digital health market is expected to skyrocket past $800 billion. But this isn't just about dollars. It's about a fundamental shift in how we manage human health. So, why now? What's fueling this revolution? Aging, global population. More people are living longer, but with more chronic diseases. The world needs smarter, scalable solutions to care for aging societies. Explosive growth in AI, robotics, and biotech. AI isn't just assisting, it's diagnosing, predicting, and personalizing care in real time. Robots are entering operating rooms, gene editing is entering clinics. COVID-19 accelerated everything. The pandemic rewrote the rulebook on remote care, digital diagnostics, and telehealth. Healthcare learned to adapt fast. A massive health data explosion. Every heartbeat, step, and symptom is now trackable. From smartwatches to sleep trackers, we're generating petabytes of biodata every day. Patient expectations have changed. People now expect on-demand care, personalized insights, and digital convenience, just like everything else in life. Record-breaking investment in health startups. VCs are pouring billions into digital therapeutics, AI diagnostics, wearables, and biohacking tech. Health innovation is hotter than ever. 2025 is shaping up to be a tipping point, not just for health tech, but for humanity. Section 2. Top 7 health tech innovations to watch in 2025. 1. AI-powered diagnostics. AI isn't just assisting doctors. It's starting to outperform them. In 2025, expect to see instant, real-time diagnostics from your phone or clinic, de-stage tools helping overloaded primary care systems, machine learning that can predict disease outbreaks and identify chronic illness before symptoms appear. This isn't replacing doctors, it's supercharging them. 2. CRISPR and gene editing therapies. CRISPR has moved from the lab to the clinic, and now gene editing could become standard for treating sickle cell anemia, certain cancers, rare genetic disorders. Next-gen tech like prime editing could let us rewrite genetic errors with surgical precision. We're not just treating symptoms, we're correcting the root cause at the molecular level. 3. Smart wearables and implantables. Wearables are graduating from trackers to full-time health guardians. In 2025, watch for continuous glucose monitors for non-diabetics, smart contact lenses detecting eye disease early, biosensors that catch heart irregularities before you feel them. 4. Telehealth 2.0 and virtual clinics. Telehealth isn't a COVID trend. It's a permanent shift. And in 2025, it's getting an upgrade. AI chatbots for 24/7 basic care. VR clinics offering immersive doctor visits. Cloud-based health records accessible globally. Remote diagnosis and even robotic surgery in underserved areas. This isn't just convenient, it's transforming. 5. Personalized medicine and digital twins. One size fits all is out. In 2025, medications will be matched to your DNA. Your treatments will be tested on a virtual twin of your body. Cancer therapies will be custom-built for your tumor's genetic profile. 6. Neurotechnology and brain-computer interfaces. We're learning to talk to the brain directly. Coming in 2025, neural implants helping paralyzed patients move again. Headsets to boost focus or sleep using brain stimulation. Early trials of BCIs restoring memory in Alzheimer's patients. This is where sci-fi and science shake hands. 7. Bioprinting and regenerative medicine. In 2025, we'll be printing body parts, literally. Expect to see bioprinted skin grafts for burn victims, lab-grown corneas and cartilage, custom bone and tissue scaffolds for surgical reconstruction. We're not just saving lives, We're rebuilding. Section 3. Expert Panel Soundbites. We spoke with leading doctors, engineers, and startup founders at the edge of this revolution. Here's what they had to say. No filters, no fluff. Privacy and interoperability aren't optional. They're mission critical. Tech is moving fast. Regulation needs to move faster. Healthcare access shouldn't depend on your zip code. We're not just treating patients, we're activating them. AI can crunch data, but it can't hold a hand. Empathy still matters. Gene editing demands global ethics, not just local guidelines. Wearables are turning medicine from reactive to predictive. We're building digital twins to simulate treatment before it reaches your body. Tomorrow's medicine won't wait for symptoms. It'll predict them. The future of care is hybrid, part human, part machine. Scalable care is possible, but only if tech is built with empathy. Mental health will define the next wave of digital health tools. Telehealth isn't a backup plan anymore. It's the front line. Smartphones are becoming stethoscopes in every pocket. Brain-computer interfaces won't just treat, they'll transform. We can't innovate for the few. Health tech must scale for the many. Transparency builds trust, and trust is the currency of future medicine. Section 4. Ethical and societal challenges. With great tech comes great responsibility. As health tech surges forward in 2025, so do the ethical dilemmas, legal questions, and social risks. Here are the 8 biggest challenges we must face head-on. Data privacy and ownership. Who owns your health data? You, your doctor, or the cloud? And what happens if it's hacked, sold, or misused? AI bias and algorithmic fairness. AI is only as good as the data it's trained on. Will underrepresented groups receive worse diagnoses or delayed treatments? Equity and global access. Will cutting-edge care only reach the rich or urban elite? How do we ensure fair access in rural and underserved areas? Health misinformation and deep fakes. As AI generates more content, false medical claims may spread faster than facts. Over-reliance on technology. What happens when the system fails? Power goes out or apps go down? Are we building resilient backups or putting too much trust in code? Ethics of genetic editing. Where's the line between therapy and enhancement? Are we curing disease or designing future humans? Mental health and tech overload. Will constant tracking, alerts, and biometric nudges cause health anxiety? When does helpful become harmful? Regulation versus innovation. Can laws and ethics keep up with breakthroughs? Or will we see move fast, break things in healthcare, with lives on the line? The tech is ready, the innovations are real. But the future of health won't just be about machines. It'll be about the choices we make. Are we ready to get this right? 2025 could be the year your smartwatch saves your life, your DNA guides your treatment, and your surgeon lives 10,000 miles away. The future of health is now, and you're part of it. If you learned something new, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Which innovation are you most excited about? Until next time, stay healthy, stay curious.